This is a scene as a result of the ceasefire. Families reuniting after months apart.
I've been waiting for 15 months to leave the south. My family are all here in the north. I regret the day I left. I was waiting to return, night by night, hour by hour. I'm very happy that I've come back to my family. My tears are tears of joy.
This is the story of one mother's ordeal. She is one of 650,000 people forced to leave their homes in northern Gaza during the onslaught. After months of living in temporary shelters, now permitted to return, they take the long walk back. Carrying mattresses, household items and food supplies, the journey is overwhelming and exhausting. Not everyone can make it. A Palestinian girl was killed in an Israeli airstrike targeting those on the road. Others choose to return by car, here lined up bumper to bumper in a standstill queue that stretches as far as the eye can see. They make the journey in full knowledge that when they arrive, they will find nothing but rubble.
Although my husband was martyred and my sons are injured, I'm happy that we are going back home. Even though it has been destroyed and we are going to have to set up tents there, I still want to go back.
Urgent humanitarian aid efforts continue. Jordan announces an intensive air bridge to help with supplies. But Israel insists it's going ahead with its UN Relief and Works Agency ban, voted by the Knesset back in October. That means come Thursday, all operations will be forced to close down. In the New York headquarters, the UN desperately scrambles to find an 11th hour solution.
In 2 days, our operation in the occupied Palestinian territory will be crippled as the legislation passed by the Israeli Knesset takes effect. At stake is the fate of millions of Palestinians, the ceasefire, and the prospect for a political solution that brings lasting peace and security.
As the ceasefire holds, Gazans are forced to start again from scratch to rebuild what they lost. That journey may take years to come. Shadia Edwards Dashti, TRT World.